This is the definitive guide to solving Aniplay app installation failed and video playback errors. After dealing with Aniplay app installation failed and video playback errors myself and spending days testing different fixes, I eventually identified several methods that actually work, and I'll walk you through them now. The first approach tackles corrupted temporary files by clearing the app's cache and then resetting its permissions, ensuring it can access necessary device functions. We also address potential conflicts by checking device storage and updating the app to its latest version, followed by a clean reinstallation and device restart. If these steps don't work, we focus on the Google Play Store environment, clearing its cache and data, and updating essential services, while also verifying device time settings. For more persistent issues, we examine network and security configurations, temporarily disabling VPNs, checking firewalls, and ensuring background data is allowed. Finally, we consider system-level solutions like updating the Android OS, confirming device compatibility, and utilizing alternative installation methods to overcome any underlying system conflicts.